Hello everyone, welcome to Aanvii Hearing. Today I'm going to talk about the best way to prevent hearing loss. Protect your ears from loud noise. We often take our ability to hear for granted until it starts to fade. Did you know that a significant percentage of hearing loss is actually preventable? One of the most common causes of permanent hearing loss is prolonged exposure to loud noise. Whether it's loud music, heavy traffic, industrial machinery or firecrackers, continuous exposure can silently damage your ears over time. Person in heavy traffic wearing comfortable hearing protection to prevent hearing loss. How loud noise affects your ears? The ear is a very sensitive and delicate organ. It consists of three parts, the outer, middle and inner ear, all working together to help us process sound. Sound waves enter through the outer ear, pass through the middle ear and reach the inner ear where the cochlea, a snail-shaped structure, converts these vibrations into signals that are sent to the brain. There are thousands of microscopic hair cells inside the cochlea. These cells are responsible for detecting sound frequencies and transmitting them as signals. However, these hair cells are extremely delicate. When exposed to loud noise for extended periods, they begin to break down or die, and once damaged, they do not regenerate. This leads to permanent hearing loss. Everyday sounds can be harmful. You don't have to work at a construction site or attend loud concerts to suffer from noise-induced hearing loss. Daily activities like listening to music on high volume, long phone conversations on loudspeaker, or spending time in crowded, noisy places can slowly damage your hearing. Protecting ears from loud noise with hearing care solutions from Aanvii. Comfortable fit that moves with you. Many people wait until it's too late to recognize the harm. Hearing loss caused by noise builds up gradually and is often ignored until communication becomes difficult. Simple steps to protect your hearing. Fortunately, there is a preventive way to avoid noise-induced hearing loss. Here are some effective ways to protect your hearing in your daily life. Turn the volume down. Keep your music or video volume at a moderate level. As a healthy practice, avoid listening at high volume for long periods. Aim for a balanced approach by keeping the volume below 60% and taking breaks every hour. Use ear protection. Put on earplugs or noise cancelling earmuffs if you will be around loud noises such as in factories, traffic areas or festivals. Take listening breaks. To give your ears a rest, move away from loud areas on a regular basis. Avoid prolonged headphone use. Use over-the-ear headphones instead of in-ear ones when possible. Monitor your environment. Be mindful of noise levels around you, especially in urban areas. Man at clinic getting a hearing checkup to prevent hearing loss and protect ears from loud noise. Don't wait until it's too late. Hearing loss doesn't just affect your ears, it affects your quality of life. If you or someone you know is having difficulty hearing conversations or often ask people to repeat themselves, it may be time to take action. Book a free hearing test and trial at Aanvii Hearing. At Aanvii Hearing, our team of hearing care professionals is here to help. We provide complimentary hearing checkups, personalized advice, and advanced hearing aid solutions to help you stay connected to every moment that matters. Call 9658395839 or visit www.aanvihearing.com to book your appointment.